beautiful people. Welcome back to another episode of Comfort Foods Kitchen. Today we're going to make a West African dish. It's called Eforiro. It's made by the Yoruba tribe in Nigeria, West Africa. And these are the ingredients that we're going to be using. 1 medium red sweet pepper, 1 small habanero, 1 small onion. It could be white onion, it could be yellow onion. Preference is yours. Half a cup of water, salt, palm oil, bouillon, spinach, and this is the meats I'm going to be using. It's going to be goat, smelt fish, whiting, shrimp, and cow feet. And this is how we're going to start our dish. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of palm oil. And like I said before, I don't measure like that because I know what 3 tablespoons look like. 1, 2, and 3. And after that, we're going to put in 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons. We're going to turn this fire down a little bit of the chicken broth. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Now, in that we're going to cook our vegetables. So we'll put the vegetables in, let them fry up a little bit. I don't like they're just applauding in there. They just clapping and clapping. They're so happy. And we're going to stir them around. And we're going to just let this cook just a little bit. Welcome back. I'm chopping the spinach. The spinach has to be chopped. We don't want the whole leaves in the spinach. We don't want that. We want to chop it up finely. And this is one of the reasons you don't add a lot of water to that stew over here, because the spinach carries a lot of water. So you don't want to make it real soupy. And after I get everything chopped up here, I'll be right back with you. Welcome back, people. Okay, I want to show you what my soup looks like right now. Okay, this has been cooking for about 5 to 6 minutes on low heat. Medium to low. You don't want to burn it. But I always use a non-stick pan, but you don't want this stuck to the pan burning, anything like that. So this has been cooking for 5 to 6 minutes. Now what we're going to use, most Nigerians, they will use what they call crayfish, and it's actually powdered shrimp. So we're going to add about a teaspoon, now let's say 2 teaspoons of that in there. And now I'm going to add the spinach. And the spinach, like I said, that's why you didn't need much water. The spinach has a lot of water in it. So this is going to cook down, and we're going to show you what it looks like when we come back. See you later. Hi folks, welcome back. Let's check on our vegetable soup. See how that spinach has reduced down, and you see you don't need to add any water to this. This is looking really good. Okay, so we're gonna cook it still about maybe about 3 minutes more, and we'll get right back with you on this. And folks, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel below. And now what we're going to do is, what goes well with the vegetable soup is pounded yam. This pounded yam is made from cassava and it's already put into a powder form. It's called a poundo yam. Okay, so what we do is we have some water on, and once the water starts to bubble like it's doing right now, we start adding our pounded yam. We do that slowly. This is 1 cup of pounded yam, and we slowly pour it in, stirring. What we're doing is we're mashing this, and we're trying to make sure that we smooth it. Lumps in your pounded yam, just like you don't want lumps in your potatoes, your mashed potatoes. And if it does start to get too thick and you can't really work with it, just add a little bit more water. I would say maybe a 1/4 cup of water, or maybe a little bit more. And you see how this is getting now? Oh man, I'm doing a wonderful job. Everything is looking so good. Welcome back. And this is our final step. And my final step is to serve. You see how this is? It's all reduced down. All the flavors are together. And like I said, with the chicken bouillon, if you feel like it was not enough, or salt, not enough salt, it's always better to add less than more. Because if you add less, then you can, or just go by precisely by my recipe, and if you need to add more, you can. That way it's not salty. Now this is the final product of the pounded yam. Looks nice and smooth like a mashed potato, but it has a texture of dough, like you're making bread. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to spoon this up right beside our pounded yam. That's delicious looking. Okay, now that's it. We're done. So let's taste. And the way this is traditionally eaten is it's all finger food. That's the good part about it, you know? And who doesn't like finger food? So you take a piece of the pounded yam and you put it in with some of the ingredients in the vegetable soup, and oh my God, it's so good. Folks, make sure you like me and subscribe to my subscribe button, and I'll see you back next time with more dishes. Can't wait.